Hello, Dustin here again with the 6th lesson in the PLNAR tutorial. In this lesson, I will show you how to override a measurement taken with PLNAR. In some cases, you may have taken a measurement with a laser and noticed that PLNAR was slightly off. We have you covered. To override any measurement, go to the project summary and tap your room to bring up your measurements. Here you can see every measurement that you've already taken using PLNAR. Next, tap the line segment you wish to adjust. In the pop-up box, tap Edit, enter your laser measurements, and tap again to save. Once you save, you can see that your measurements have been added to the room on the segment and adjusted accordingly. You have now completed the 6th lesson in this tutorial.